How to review your places on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review your places on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and now click these three lines here in the top corner and go down, click settings and privacy, and then settings, and now go down. Here you will find this one, activity log. Click on it and go down again until you find logout actions and other activity. Click on it and go down. Here you will find your places. Just click on it and you can review your places. And that's how to review your places on Facebook mobile. And see you, and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video, and then see you in the next video.